Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we are working on the S15 again, and we've got some pretty sick parts from Japan to be test fitting, so let me show you. Okay guys, we have raise wheels as you can see, and we have a set of Nakamura B knuckles. So guys, the aim of this video is to test fit my wheel for clearance, because like I said, I'm running the B knuckles and you've got to run a very specific setup to make them work, but some people have said that you've got to hammer this out, so I want to test fit my setup just to make sure, and if I have got to, then I can make the correct clearance for it to work. Okay, I've already split that. Become extremely well protected. They're like steel, which is really good because the amount of parts that I've had damage and things in the past. One of the best bits. Got a little sticker. Various paperwork. Obviously all in Japanese. I haven't got a clue what it's on about. I've gone with the gramlights 57 DRs in black. See them. Nice bit of concave, and this is the front. I'll get into the specs later on, and the rear wheel I've got is different size to this. I'm going for a staggered setup. I will show you them after we install it on the front. Okay, let's start by chucking this in. So it's not particularly heavy, but it's an extra pair of hands. Okay, whip these real quick. Okay, so it's as much as I could manage, cutting that lock stop off before the battery ran out, but that's not going to cause any issues, and obviously these aren't staying on. Okay, got that done. Golden. Okay, let's chuck these guys on. I'll tighten everything up later, and there we have it. So let's get a coilover in there and start getting it together. Okay, I've loaned these off one of the boys. Thank you, Jake. And we can chuck these in to test fit. Put a bit of copper grease on that. I don't want these getting stuck to this because obviously I'm going to be, with this setup, you retain the stock lower control arm, but obviously I will be having that blasted, coated, and obviously new ball joint chucked in. So let's chuck this girl on. Put a little nut on for now, not that it's going anywhere, but just because. That's it. So let's attempt to put this in here. Okay, that is one. Once again, I'm not doing these up mega tight because they don't really need to be. As long as the wheel isn't knocking all over the place, we should be good. So we're going to do next, peel all this off where they've protected it whilst they've sprayed. Start assembling this. So got the new hubcap, part number there, they're pretty easy to come by. Bit I've been waiting on to test with the wheels. It's finally here. So we have a set of 50mm concentric GK Tech spacers for this. So guys, if you want to run B-knuckles too, you need the following things. Obviously you need B-knuckles, you need high clearance caster arms, you keep the stock lower control arm, cut off the standard lock stops, and then in their place weld a 5mm plate on the side, and that's your new lock stop. 50mm front spacers between 7 to 10 degrees of camber, and to achieve that, this is currently at 6. If I want to get more, I've got to notch my top mounts or buy offset spacers basically for the top mounts to achieve that. Wheels recommended 17s by 9" wide, ET12, which is what these are. What have we got? it's a 245/40/17 to run, and like I said, on lock. That's us there, and it's just catching. I'll show you. We are just catching on this bit, so I have had this seam folded. Focus, as you can see, but it doesn't touch there, it touches on that lip there, just a bit back, so you can hammer that out, but it's up to you. But some people have gone mad on you, but bearing in mind this is an S15, and I believe that they do differ. As I was speaking to Mito, and he sent me some pictures, and he's hammered his considerably, but obviously on test fitting this, everything is stock at the moment, you know, even the caster arm, so I haven't even pulled the wheel forward yet, and it's only just hitting. So, and in regards to ride height, we're not, I don't know what I'm doing yet, but we go a bit lower, we might hit a bit more, but then also when you got travel, you run the risk of destroying your fiberglass, so I don't know if it'll stay this height. But yeah, in regards to lock, happy with that. Overall, happy with the fitment, which is, I thought it would, you know, have that FD type of poke, but it hasn't. So it's a win-win. So, if you like this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and there will be more updates on this in the coming months as we get stuff done. So, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.